Welcome to Math with Professor V. Here's an integral of the day for you all to try. It's an indefinite integral of 1 over the square root of e to the x minus 1 dx. So pause the video if you want to try it on your own. Otherwise, I'm just going to jump right in. I'm going to go with a U-substitution. And at first, when I was thinking about things, if you just let u be e to the x, that's not going to be helpful because there's no du. Du would be e to the x dx. We're stuck. So what I'm going to do is just let this entire denominator, including the radical, be u. That'll give us a little more to work with. So let's let u equal the square root of e to the x minus 1. And don't find du just yet. It'll be too painful. Square both sides first. So u squared equals e to the x minus 1. And then now let's go ahead, take the derivative of both sides so we can find our new differential. So 2u du, derivative of the left, would equal derivative of the right hand side, which would be e to the x dx. Very good. Okay, now go back. We know from the line right up above that e to the x is equal to u squared plus 1, right? So I could substitute that right here, u squared plus 1 dx, and that's equal to 2u du. And then I'm almost ready. Let's get dx all by itself. So dx is 2u du over u squared plus 1. So this entire dx right here, I'm going to replace with 2u du over u squared plus 1. Okay? And then originally, remember now, we have integral 1 over rad e to the x minus 1 was u, right? That was u. So I'm just going to have u in the denominator, and then instead of dx, I have 2u du over u squared plus 1. So take a second, make sure everything's sinking in appropriately, because it was a little wild getting to dx, I would say. But then from here, you're pretty much ready to run. So I can cancel out a u from the numerator and denominator, and then let's just take that 2 outside. So 2 integral 1 over u squared plus 1 du. And do you recognize what the antiderivative of 1 over u squared plus 1 is? You should. It's tan inverse of u. So just keep the 2 outside. Tan inverse of u plus c, right? We've already anti-differentiated, so make sure you put plus c immediately. And then now we're done. We just need to go back, replace u with the original variable, which was rad e to the x minus 1. So this is 2 tan inverse of radical e to the x minus 1 plus c. And that's it. So, you know, it's Monday morning. I'm coming back from spring break. Got to go into work. Just something short and sweet to start the week off. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this integral of the day. I have plenty more, so check out the playlist. Subscribe if you aren't already. And if you need help with Calc 1, 2, 3, or even reviewing your pre-calc and trig, I have full video lectures for every section in those courses, every topic. And you can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, Math with Professor V. So give me a follow there. I'll be back sooner than later. Love you all. Bye.